Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable mouse click lock in Windows 10. So guys, it is very simple and easy method. Firstly you need to type your settings and other way click on start bar. Now click on all apps. Now click on settings and the other way type settings and open settings. After open settings, now click on device, click on mouse. Now you need to click on edit mouse. Here is a mouse options, click on it. Now you see this double click speed. You see this, you manage slow, fast. Now click on OK. So this way we can how to enable mouse click lock in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.